Okay, so good morning, guys. I'm very excited. I'm actually gonna go boat hunting. Yesterday, I drove by a couple of marinas. I spoke to some people. I got out of work, and I got out of work late, so it was probably 6 o'clock in the afternoon. Went out, just to sightsee and check out if there was any opportunity out there, and found out that there's a couple of boats that are actually for sale. And I asked some locals here in Cancun, and there might be some more. So let's go take a look. Okay, guys, so I finally got to Punta Sam here in Cancun, Mexico. As you can see, I'm about to get off the car, and right there is part of the marina. There's another marina right there, and there's a bunch of boats right there on a dry dock. So I'm about to get off my car and go check them out. Apparently there's a couple of sailboats there for sale, and I want to go negotiate, seeing what type of shape and condition they are. For what they told me over the phone, those two sailboats need a lot of work, so I'm gonna go check them out. I'll catch up to you guys in a little bit, and I'll show you what it looks like. Gotta put on the mask because we're still in the high-risk COVID times, so we gotta be careful. So there's the boats. Those are regular boats, not a sailboat. But I'm sure inside there's going to be a bunch of them. And I was told, actually, that there's a sailboat in the water, practically abandoned. And it's been floating for months now. So I'm going to see if I can get a hold of the owner of this vessel and find out if he's got it for sale. I'm pretty sure. Oh yeah, it looks nice. Look at that. It's that boat right there. I'll try and see if we can get a hold of whoever the owner is. This is what a Mexican marina looks like. That's a little Mexican restaurant. We're going to go ahead and ask and see if they can give us any information. See you soon. Okay, so apparently that boat that's floating in the water belongs to this Italian family, but it's been there forever now, and we're gonna jump back in the car, hop to the marina next door, and figure out if somebody can give us some more information on that boat, and if not, hopefully just take a look at another boat. Let's get rid of the mask. I'm back. Okay, so that's the marina we're gonna be going to, and we're gonna hop onto the dry dock to see if I can get a hold of the owner or information on what it is that they have for sale. We'll figure it out. Amigo, ayer vine a preguntar información acerca de un velero que está ahí. Ajá. Voy a estacionar y voy a cruzar allá a la marina.
Ok, ¿a qué embarcación va?
El único velero que se ve allá, mira.
¿Pero cómo se llama?
No sé cómo se llama, amigo, pues lo quiero comprar.
Ah, bueno, entonces pasa adelante y solo me estaciones y ahorita voy con usted, me deja su nombre.
Mi nombre es Dante, amigo.
Okay.
Dante Villarreal.
Vale.
Para que no vayas hasta allá, mira. Oh, that was a lot of Spanish. Just wants to know my name for security reasons, I guess, and let me show you what it looks like. Hopefully we can get a better view from here. If not, we'll just go ahead and keep on asking until we find somebody. Let's see. Okay, so I definitely see the sailboat. right back there. And if you're able to tell, there's a boat here, and then that's it right there in the back. It looks all beat up. Hopefully we can get it on the boat and figure out if it's worth doing something to it. I'm gonna go ahead and negotiate. Maybe I can get it for free and pay a little rent, and then take it from there. You know, pay a little rent to be there and try to haul it there, try to fix it right at the dock, dry dock, and we'll take it from there. So I'm crossing the street to the marina. This is what Punta Sam looks like. It's a beautiful place in Mexico. Hope you guys can make it down here. It's amazing, just like I did, and I decided to stay. I'll be right with you guys in a minute. Okay, so I'm waiting for the accountant to show up, because apparently it's got legal issues, that small vessel. But I thought I'll show you around what a marina in Punta Sam looks like. Apparently there's catamarans and there's sailboats. Look at that. There's 2 catamarans and there's a regular sailboat. Man, I really want one. Look at that. That's beautiful. Apparently the sailboats are in the back. You can see the mast, several of them. This is the marina. Hopefully we get to see a boat today. That'd be nice. Oh, look at that. There's another sailboat right there. That's a big one. That's probably a 40-footer. 39 feet at least. That's a big mast right there. This marina has restrooms. They got laundry, hotel, offices, dry marina. It's really nice. Maybe we can work something out. How about a drink? If we can't work out a deal, maybe we can work out a rum and coke. See you soon. Okay, so I'm still waiting for the accountant to show up. Well, he's actually right there in a meeting inside that office over there. I'm waiting and waiting some more. I'm still waiting. Well, it's a shame. Apparently that boat has more problems than solutions. They can't even sell it. I mean, if the owner, it's been left there for 3 years now, and I spoke to the accountant. It's been there abandoned for 3 years, and actually it was in the water for a couple of years, so that's a total of around 5 years. And according to the law in Mexico, they can't legally own that boat. They got to go through a humongous process, and then that process it's begun at the beginning of the year, and hopefully they'll get something going. I don't know. I guess a judge has to rule an order that says they own it and they can go ahead and sell it. The guy was really accessible. She said, you know what, we don't want to even make money off of it. All we want is, you know, we can't rent the space, we can't sell it. We want to sell it and have somebody rent the space. But yeah, until then, there's nothing we can do on that boat. So I guess we gotta go search for more boats and figure out what a good deal would be. I've been looking on Yacht World, and I've been looking on Craigslist, I've been looking on eBay, and there's a bunch of boats, man. I just don't want to go back to the States and go get a boat and bring it here. I think it's gonna be more of a hassle, especially if I gotta fix it. If it was a turnkey sailboat, I can probably sail it down here and then go to the Caribbean and just carry on. I just don't want to spend $30 or $40 or $50,000 on a blue water boat when I can just buy one that, yeah, for a couple of $1,000, just dump in another maybe $10,000, $15,000 into it. You know, at the end of the day, I'll have a $17,000 boat that I can go ahead and flip it if I really want to turn it over after, you know, I go traveling, and I can go ahead and make a decent amount. but during this pandemic times, it's gonna be hard to talk to people. You know, hopefully I can get some people over the phone and start talking to them. There's a couple of options, man. There's one in Mazatlan, there's one in Puerto Vallarta, but that's a 3-hour flight away. That's a layover of an hour. That's a 2-hour flight from here to Mexico City. And then you lay over for about an hour, 2 hours, and then fly another hour to Puerto Vallarta or Mazatlan, which is basically the same thing, right next to each other. And that's a whole day of flying right there and waiting at airports. I'm not sure if I want to do that right now. So let's go back home and let's jump on the computer and start looking a little bit more. I'll keep you guys posted. Gracias, amigo, te agradezco. Sí, gracias. Okay, exiting the marina right now. We're gonna go head over to the main road, which we're already on. And let me show you what Punta Sam looks like. That's it for this episode. I'll go ahead and keep you guys posted for sure, and hopefully we can find the perfect sailboat.